Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Good evening, everyone. Welcome you all to front office management session. Today, I'm very happy, extremely glad to welcome Madam Ashaita Mahajan. I hope I spelled it right. Trustee of Yash Charitable Trust. To give a brief introduction about our madam, she says her inspiration is her cousin Aarti, who is a person with autism. Aarti's mother, Dr. Sushama Nagarkar, is the founder of Yash Charitable Trust. This organization was founded by Dr. Sushama Nagarkar, and Madam Ashaita and Dr. Sushama were the lead to start the Cave Arpan, a cave which employs many people with special needs. Apart from this, our guest is an excellent avid music lover also. So I know many of you also love music here. So it's really nice to have Madam Ashaita Nagarkar today with us, Ashaita Mahajan today with us, and I welcome wholeheartedly. So before I hand over the Zoom platform to Madam, today they will be our professionals will be demonstrating few talents. Like they have learned the art of table decoration, bed decoration, and napkin foldings. Many such art which is involved in the hotel management they have learned. Apart from that, they have also learned the interpersonal skills of how to do a reservation, how to talk to a guest, how to welcome them, what are the roles as a concierge staff to front office, to room service, to hospitality management. Through role play, they have also learned all that. So today there will be around 6 of them demonstrating the role play, demonstrating the departments, and another 6 of them will be doing the bed and table decoration. So with the permission of our guests, can we proceed with the talent demonstration first?
Yes, absolutely. May I just say hi to everyone first?
Sure,
I
ma'am.
want to just,
Sure.
I'm just going to say hi, everyone, but I want to say all your names and make sure that, like you all said my name really nicely, I want to say all your names.
No, my
I'm going to do it in as I see everyone's name on my screen, okay? So first I'd like to say hi to Avni. Avni, can you hear me? Hi. Then we have next to Avni, there's Sarma.
Yeah.
Sarma.
Rahul.
Hi, Sarma. Rahul, sorry. Okay, so the name is coming. Okay, Rahul. Nice to meet you, Rahul. Okay, and then we have Namrata, who beautifully said my name. Nice to meet you, Namrata. And then we have Imad Asif.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, nice to meet you. Then hi, Chaitanya Shivkumar.
Yeah.
Hi, Andrea. Hi, Sai. Arjav, hi. I hope you can hear me. Okay, and then we have Kush. Kush, I really like your wallpaper. It's very lovely at the back. Nice to meet you. Hi, Rohan.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Deepta. And hi, Ahan. Okay, I think I've covered everyone. And of course, hi, Gayatri. Thank you so much for having me as a part of today's session. I'm very excited to see what you guys are going to display for me. And then I will talk to you again after you show me how talented you all are.
Yes, ma'am.
First 10 minutes, there will be a demonstration session. So I request Avani, Namrata, Sai, Rohit, Ankita, and Arthur to proceed with your table or your bed decoration. Whichever you have planned, you can start it now. Meanwhile, I invite Balambika and Andrea, the first role play.
Oh, I think I missed Balambika. Sorry. Hi, Balambika. Sorry, your name wasn't shown.
May I am second.
Yes, Avni. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's number.
I am second.
Then Namrata, you can start your work now. Balambika and Andrea, you can unmute and start your role play. I'll put the spotlight on you both now.
Where is Andrea, ma'am?
Wait, I'll put spotlight on her. You will be able to see.
Ma'am,
Yes, Andrea and Balambika, you can start your role play.
Okay.
Good evening, Andrea. Good evening.
Good evening.
Balambik, you're calling us first, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to get my
Okay,
phone to ring. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, just wait.
Okay.
One moment.
So Balambika, meantime, can you tell which department you are doing?
I am doing. I'm a guest of this guest. I'm a guest role.
Okay, fine. Carry on.
Reservations. I'm in reservations.
I'm in this one, reservations.
Reservation department. Wonderful. Carry on.
So Balambik, that's your phone ringing.
Yeah. Okay.
Say good evening.
Good evening.
This is
Hotel
Good
Intercon. I'm Andrea. Reservations. How may I help you?
My name is Balambika.
Yep. Your name?
Balambika.
You?
May I help you?
May I help you?
Yeah.
May I help you?
Sure. Yeah. Sure. You can help me, ma'am.
Tell Balambika what you want.
I want to reserve some hotel. Can you reserve for me?
When are you coming?
Yes, when are you coming?
Yeah, I'm coming on April 13th.
Ma'am, you guys
April
see?
13th.
Say April.
Namrata, I'll get back.
What time?
What time? I'm coming at 4:30 in the morning.
Okay.
4:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
How many days?
For 5 days. For 5 days, I'm coming.
What type of room?
I want AC.
Double room?
AC room. Can you have available for me? Please check and
Yes.
see me.
Rooms available
Rooms available
at
at $60
per night.
per night.
$60. Okay. Thank you. I need some
Airport pickup?
yeah, I need some vehicle for arrangement for me.
A driver will be at the arrivals.
Yeah. Can you pick
The
up
placard.
can you pick up at 30?
4:30 in the morning.
So what's your flight details?
Yeah, 4:30 in the
what's the-
morning. I want 4:30 in the morning in the airport
Okay,
pickup.
heard that. Then what's the flight details?
Which flight, Balambika?
Flight name is Air India, Indian Air India Airlines.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Reservation reference.
Can
Your
you have booked for me?
Yes.
yes.
References.
Your references
Reference
MCT
SCT. Okay.
2014.
2014. Okay.
Ma'am,
9
I
o'clock.
need
I
it.
want
My
to
bed is
help me on
ready.
your arrival.
9 o'clock. I want a meeting. I have meeting. Can you make a breakfast for me,
Yes.
Andrea? Yeah. Can you make
At 7:30.
7:30? You can make it for me, and then I'll be ready for the meeting to go out. The
Yep, tomorrow morning.
I need a vehicle to. I need a vehicle
Yes,
arrange for me.
at 9 o'clock in the morning.
I want to go Raj Ghat in Delhi.
Okay.
Okay, can arrange it.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Have a
Thank
nice.
you very much.
Thank you.
Have a nice
ma'am.
day.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for calling.
That was awesome, Balambika and Andrea. Now we will ask our Ashaita madam your review.
That was so good. May I ask, did you practice this before, Palambika, Andrea?
Yeah, yesterday was
Yes,
first
yesterday.
time. Yesterday was first time I was practicing with her.
Very good. I know that this is normally on the phone, but what I really liked that both of y'all were doing was smiling. And even though I can see your faces and y'all were smiling, but I could even hear it in your voice. And I think that when it comes to hospitality, if you are nice to everyone, you have really, I mean, it'll be always a good thing. So it's always nice to be polite. It's nice to smile. And I was really happy to see both of y'all doing that. So very good
Thank
job.
you, ma'am.
Good job.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Before we go to Kush and Ahan, let us go to Namrata's house. She's ready with a bed decoration. So we'll have a view and come. Ahan and Kush, be ready. So spotlight on you, Namrata. We are coming to your house now. So what is that you're going to show us? You can unmute, Namrata.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yes, Namrata. So what have you done? Can we see your bed or table decoration?
My bed is ready.
Wonderful. We wish to see that. From hospitality department. Wow, with the bird. May I request our guests to kindly give your opinion?
May I request whoever's holding the camera to move back a little bit because I cannot see the whole bed. Oh, I can only see the top of the towel. I actually want to just focus on the towel. Is it a swan?
Yes, it's a swan.
Oh, wow. Okay. Namrata, how did you learn how to do that?
My mom taught me. But
Yeah. Oh,
my
very
mom
cool.
taught-
I can't do that, and I can't do that, Namrata. So one day you're going to come and teach me, okay?
She's saying I will come to your house and teach you.
Done. Chalo. Where do you stay? I want. Where are all of you all from? Where are all of you based?
Most of them are from Pune. And some Chaitanya is presently in Mumbai. Balambika is in Chennai. Andrea is with me here in Muscat.
Oh, wow.
Careful.
It's all spread out. Okay, but Namrata, I live in Bombay. So if you're ever coming to Bombay, we will meet and you'll show me how to make a swan. Okay? That's really good job. I hope you make your bed every day. Okay? You're looking after your own. You're
I do.
responsible for your own bed.
Ma'am, I am decorator table.
Very cool.
Plate,
Okay.
glass. I'm going and do.
She's going to do the table decoration now.
Next. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay,
I look
Namrata.
forward to seeing it, Namrata. Thank you.
So we'll come back to your house again. So now Ahan and Kush, are you ready with your role play?
Yeah.
Yes. Now I'll put the spotlight on you. So you can start.
Ma'am, I just tell that I'm going to be a customer and he's going to be a chef.
Yes. Wonderful. Choice is yours.
We're going to discuss. So,
Yes, I put spotlight. You can start.
good evening.
Good evening, sir.
I would want to have a cup of a ginger tea,
Yes.
ginger milk tea, and some sugar in
I'm
it.
I'm Sarkos. You can have you can have ginger tea
So
with
yeah, so I
milk.
want, yeah, so I just want 1 cup of ginger tea, and with it I want a sugar, and I would like a sandwich with it.
You you can make sandwich gravy.
So I'm just ordering 1 cup of ginger tea with sugar, and with it, snacks. I would like to eat 1 cheese sandwich.
So you have to take the order, push and repeat the order now. So what did Ahan say?
Egg ginger tea and cheese sandwich.
Yeah,
With sugar.
yeah, with sugar.
Is
And how long will it take to get ready?
it 15 minutes.
Done. Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
push ask for room number.
And sir, where is
Uh,
the number?
Room number 500.
500. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. So that was really wonderful. Good effort from both of you. So I request Ashaita madam to kindly give your review.
Yes, of course. So, Ahan and Kush, good job. I thought again, very clearly, you all were able to communicate what you need. You know, initially I didn't register that this was still happening in a hotel, because as I will share next, we have a cafe where we practice very similar role playing, just like the two of you have done. And Kush, you did a great job in remembering exactly what Ahan asked for. Ahan, again, very polite. Next time, no, you should jump ahead and tell him only what room you're in. Because you know what, this is something I do when I go to a hotel. I don't expect anyone to ask me. I just say, I'm calling from so-and-so room. Please send a ginger tea and a cheese sandwich.
Yeah, I thought I was sitting in the dine out, but no, I'm in the room. Then I realized. Actually, I forgot.
That's okay. That's okay. So it's about, when you role play, it's about making it clear to the person who's listening to you where you are and what your role is. Okay. But otherwise, fantastic. I like. Did you think of the ginger tea on the spot, or did you have
We
that?
both discussed it, but we both forgot to discuss that is it going to be in the room or in the restaurant. We both forgot.
Okay. Well, that's not a problem. As long as I understood that you're ordering food and Kush is the one taking the order.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Good
Yeah,
job.
thank you so much for liking it.
Good job, buddies.
So now next we have Anandita and Balambika for the role play. Before we come to you people, let us go to Rohan's house and Sai's house to see what they have done. The decoration, I think they have completed. So we are coming to Rohan's house now. Rohan, are you there? I'm going to put spotlight now. Yes, hi Rohan. So can you show your table decoration?
Wow. Are those candles in the middle?
Yes, ma'am. Rohan's mother, you can interact in case if required.
Yes.
No. Is Rohan non-verbal?
He doesn't speak much, very little.
Okay. So if Rohan's mom can just put the camera back on Rohan, or if he can just see me. Yes. Rohan, you've done a fantastic job, my friend. In our cafe, everything is very well organized, and I can see that you have well organized your table, and I love the extra touch of the candles. I think candles always are a very nice extra touch that you can put on a table, and you've done a really, really good job. So thank you so much for sharing that, Rohan.
Thank you. Thank you, Bolu.
Okay. Rohan,
Okay,
can you show
okay,
your...
don't say thank you. So don't say thank you. I'm going to try one thing. So, you know, last year when, oh, thank you for the smile. Last year when we had the lockdown, all my team members also were at home doing all our training on Zoom, like you guys are doing with Ms. Gayatri right now. And we had a very simple thing because there were so many people on Zoom, everyone couldn't talk at the same time. So I had this thing which I had 2 thumbs up. So can Rohan give me 2 thumbs up at least? I can't see Rohan anymore.
Rohan, आप किधर है?
Rohan's mom, can you please put the camera on Rohan?
Yes.
Rohan, can you give me 2 thumbs up? 2 thumbs up like this?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, 1 thumbs up. Okay, we'll get to the second thumbs up soon. Okay. Okay. No, don't worry about it. It's fine. 1 is good enough.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rohan. Thank you, Rohan.
Rohan, can you show that cutlery foldings which you have done? Can you show that in a close-up? This is again a napkin folding which they have learned.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I didn't realize that.
And-
That's why I needed the close-up.
Cool.
That's very, very cool. We don't do such fancy stuff at our cafe. So we will come and learn from you soon. Okay, Rohan? Thank you so much for sharing. It looks very, very smart.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rohan. Now, Sai, can we come to your house? We are coming to your house now.
Please welcome.
Ashaita ma'am, we need your feedback here.
Okay, no. It was a little blurry, the screen. Again, candles, and this time there are flowers. Wow, are those real flowers, Sai?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, because the screen is a little blurred, so I can't make out exactly. But again, everything looks really, really nice. Can you, can mom or dad zoom into the plate setting? Okay, so you've done the same. It looks similar to what Rohan has done, right?
And then one more rose is there. Napkin folding.
I like the extra touches, Sai. Good job. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
And this candle.
Candle, yes. Candles always add a beautiful extra touch. It makes it a little romantic also. Yeah? Sai, you can put the candles out when you go on a date.
She says she's painted it.
Oh, she's painted it. Oh, fantastic. I'm really sorry. The screen is a little blurred, so I can see that there's color on it, but okay. Oh, wow.
Sai.
Something that she's done something else on it, right? Some other
Yeah.
artist.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's like stained glass painting, right?
Yes.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you.
Good job. Good job, Sai. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you, Sai. Now we are coming to... Yes, now Anandita and Balambika, your role play. Welcome.
Okay, ma'am. Next.
1 second, I'll put spotlight on Anandita. Yes, your role play
So,
starts.
ma'am, we are doing room service. So, I'll.
Wonderful.
Hello. Good evening. Good evening. I'm calling for 201. I needed to order breakfast. Will it be possible?
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am. How may I help you?
So, I needed to order breakfast and I'm calling from room 020 210.
210. Okay.
And I
what-
needed a.
Can you tell me your order? Can you
I
tell me your
needed
order?
a bowl. I needed a bowl of poha and seasonal fruits at the size.
Yeah. Can you tell me the order, please, ma'am?
So I needed a bowl of fruits and a bowl of poha. Will it be possible?
Bowl of fruits and poha, yeah.
Huh.
It will
And
be
in
possible.
fruits, yeah, and in fruits, which fruits do you offer? Like, which is a
fruit?
seasonal fruits?
Seasonal fruits, I will tell. I having a pineapple, a papaya, apple, grapes, and all we are available.
Okay, so you do something. You give me papaya and apple as the seasonal
Papaya.
fruit. Yeah.
Okay, papaya and apple. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And
Okay, ma'am. I will order and give you 2
how
0.
long will it take? How long will it take approximately?
It will take for half an hour. I'll make it and and give you, ma'am. Half an hour.
Sure, no problem. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful girls, really wonderful. Now over to Ashaita ma'am for her
That
review.
was so cute. That was so cute. Anandita, you acted more like you were the person from the hotel, because I have never heard somebody who stays in the customer be so polite. And we working, we've been running the cafe now for 3 years. We've never had such a polite and friendly, sweet customer. You're actually asking the hotel if it's okay. I thought that was the sweetest thing. So I thought, in a way, Anandita, I think that you're showing us an example of how all customers should be. And Balambika, you handled your customer very nicely. Of course, right now, because we're all doing it on Zoom and the network is an issue, there will always be a little lag in the timing. But other than that, I thought that was very creative. I like the fact that you asked about which fruits are in season. If you thought about that on your own, Anandita, full marks to you. With this to all my team members, so I'm going to share the same thing with you guys. So good job.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. We really loved you as a guest.
Have a guest, lovely have a guest, ma'am, like you.
Thank you. No, I have nothing special. Thank you. You guys are the special stars.
Thank you. And before we go to Rahul and Chaitanya for your role play, can we visit Arjav? I think Arjav is ready. Rohit, I think you are also ready. So we'll come to Arjav and Rohit's house.
Ma'am, I am doing paper.
Yes, you finish, Namrita. We'll come back to your house again. I know you are doing your table decoration also. We'll come back. Okay. Yes, Arjav, we are coming to your house now.
Let's go from April. Okay.
So this is Arjav. Arjav has done his table decoration.
Okay. That's what. Oh, that's his. What is that little bowl with the spoon? Is that ice cream bowl?
Yeah.
Smart. Very smart. You have to have dessert, right, Arjav? Very nice. I can see that you put two different types of napkins. It's very nice. And I like the little wooden spoon that you've used. It's very cool. Very creative. I like that you've thought. No, I'm talking about the ice cream bowl with the spoon. I really like that. I think that's very creative. So good job. Thank you for sharing.
Please. Also want.
Sorry?
He's giving you. He's offering to you.
Oh, thank you. I'm going to do cheers with my mug. Okay? You do with your bowl, I'll do with my mug. Thank you, Arjav.
Thank you so much, Arjav. Yes, now we are coming to Rohit. Hi, Rohit. Welcome. Yes.
Rohit.
Yes, Rohit, we are seeing you. And you
Rohit
look very
also dressed
smart.
up. Wow.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Rohit. You're all dressed up. I'm feeling underdressed now. I'm just in a t-shirt.
Thank you.
Ma'am, today actually we had a dress code, professionally dressed.
Thank you.
Oh, you didn't tell me, Gayatri. I would have been more professionally dressed. We're
Yeah.
all working from home nowadays, so it's shorts and t-shirt.
Okay. Thank you. Nice. Thank you.
Hi, Rohit. What are you going to show me today, Rohit?
Yeah. Table decoration.
Show me.
Which one?
Wow. Are those red mats or is the table red?
The table is red.
Yes. Yes.
Wow. Look, I liked all the colors. You've chosen all the colors. Everything is matching. The flowers, the little teddy bear. Is this a dinner date with a girlfriend, Rohit? That you
Yes.
put teddy
Yes.
bear
Yes.
at-
Yes. Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
it's a Valentine's Day special. I like it.
Yes. Yes.
Very nice. Very nice. I'm sure that any girl would be really happy to see all of that.
Thank you.
Very nice, Rohit. Thank you. I like the extra
Thank you.
touches that you put in there. Very
Oh, thank
creative.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you so much. Rohit, actually, I forgot to tell, he is from Abu Dhabi. He is staying in Abu Dhabi.
Okay. Wow. I'm really meeting so many interesting new people. It's I'm very excited. Thank you.
Okay, now we have Ankita and Namrata for their table decoration. We'll come back. Before that, we will have our role play with Rahul and Chaitanya. Our last role play. Yes, over to Chaitanya and Rahul. 1 second, I'll put spotlight on you both.
I'm doing airport.
Yes. you can
Ma'am,
start.
I'm doing airport pickup.
Airport pickup.
Yes, ma'am. Who is the driver?
I'm the driver.
Okay, done.
Aw.
Rahul, start.
Yes.
Rahul, start.
Welcome, Mr. Chaitanya. Welcome to Mumbai. I'm Rahul, your driver.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Can I put your luggage in the car, sir?
Yes, sure. What languages do you speak, Rahul?
I speak English, Hindi, and Marathi, sir.
That's interesting. How far is the hotel, Rahul?
It is 2 kilometers away from the airport, sir.
What are the places to visit, Rahul?
Juhu Beach, ISKCON Temple, and Gateway of India are famous places to visit, sir.
Okay, that's nice.
I will drive you to the hotel safely, sir. We have reached the hotel, sir.
Thank you, Rahul.
Have a pleasant stay, sir.
Thank you, Rahul.
You're welcome, sir.
Wonderful, both of you.
Amazing.
That was awesome. That was so creative. That was very cool. Rahul, I have to say again, loving the smile. Really liking the smile because, you know, again, with drivers, anyone who is providing a service, you have to be there with a smile, right? And Chaitanya, you are also such a polite guest. Being, you know, so thoughtful of Rahul's feelings. You know, one thing that you did that a lot of people may not like, but I really liked that, is that you kept using his name, you know, and I think that was by calling out his name each time, you were giving him that respect, Chaitanya. So I think that was really nice also. You know, people tend to not realize how important that is, and I like that you know, whether you thought of it before or you did it just now, just on the spot, either way, good job, guys. I really liked it. And Rahul, I like that little sign. You guys have prepared so well. It's making my day. Thank you so much. This is wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. You made me happy today.
all of y'all have made me very happy today. So thank you.
Even Gayatri Aunty and Pratima Aunty made me so happy in this, and Pratima Aunty gave a nice idea for both of us, me and Kush.
Yeah.
To her.
Pratima Aunty is Kush's mother, and she is instrumental in this program being conducted.
Fantastic. That's so wonderful. It's so
And
nice.
Namrata's mother is one who introduced Yash Charitable Trust to me. She was the one who gave me the link. So we contacted you.
Ah, okay, okay. Awesome.
Ma'am.
Yes, Avni.
Yes, Avani.
Hi. Could I
Your table is ready, Avani?
Hi, ma'am.
Now I'm coming. We are coming to your house now. Now we are coming to Avani, Ankita's house, and Namrata's also. First, Avani. You're ready? We are coming there. Yes, Avani, we have reached your house.
Ma'am, I'm also doing door.
Imad, don't worry, you can do it next time. There was a communication gap. Imad could not do this time. No worries, Imad.
Okay, ma'am.
So, Avani's table.
Oh, Avni, where are the plates? Or they there and I can't see them? Sorry.
No, it's the table arrangement she's done.
Oh, okay. No plates. Okay, nice, nice, very nice. What is in the little basket, Avni? Can I ask you? There's a little basket over there.
Yes,
What's in the basket?
Flowers and some very like a spoon.
Avani, can you show that small basket? That's so cute.
Yeah, it's so cute, but what's in it? I can't see. It's to put little sweets.
Yeah, like a flowers.
Avni, put the camera back on you, darling. I can't hear your voice. Now tell me what you were saying. Say it again.
It's a flower vase.
Flower vase.
And tree set.
For flowers?
Flowers.
Yeah.
And some tree set.
Reset.
Yeah.
Okay. I like the table mats, Avni, but I'm missing the plates. I have to be honest. Everyone else showed me plates. So Avni, I don't lie to anyone. So I'm going to be very honest, right? So next time you'll put some plates also in your table setting. I really like the mat, but next time please put plates also for me, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you. Good job. I love the little flower basket. I wish you had two matching ones though. It would have been perfect.
Yeah.
Just missed the mark. It's okay.
Yes.
Good job, man. Good job.
Thank you, Avani.
Okay, ma'am.
So now we are coming to Ankita's house. Ankita, you ready? That is Ankita. I'm not able to see Ankita. Did she leave the meeting? I think her connection must have lost. Okay, Namrata, we are coming back to your house now. So Namrata has done both table decoration and bed decoration today.
Wow. Double thumbs ups.
I think she lost her connection. Now over to you, ma'am, to share your thoughts. Namrata will join us soon.
Okay, cool. Yeah, she's still there. At least I can see her name. So I really don't know what to say anymore. You guys have just blown me away with how talented all of you all are. Okay, so I'm going to ask you guys some questions because Miss Gayatri sent me very few. She sent me the details that I needed to know to join today's Zoom class. But I wanted to know who's going to tell me, and I want you to raise your hand, okay? And I'll call out your name so that all of you all are not giving me answers at the same time. So, how long has this been class? How long has Gayatri Miss been taking this class? Who can tell me? Yes, Balambika?
2 months.
Sorry? Balambika, you are on mute. Say it again.
Yeah. Past 1 month.
1 month? It seems like it might be longer. Yes,
Yeah.
Rahul. Rahul had his hand up next. Yes, Rahul, tell me.
From January.
Since January?
Yes.
Wow, you guys have learned so much since January. That's fantastic. And who in this whole group wants to work in a hotel? You can put your hands up if you want. Yeah, almost everyone. Okay, so Chaitanya didn't put his hand up. Chaitanya, where do you want to work? Oh, he also put his hand up now. None of you all want to work in a restaurant, only in a hotel?
What about a restaurant?
In a hotel, you get more salary.
Hotel, you get more salary. Very
smart boy.
But I have to tell you, that is also not always true. It comes down to experience, depending
It
on the...
depends on the hard work and the experience then.
Yes, that's right. The more work you do, the more experience you get, the higher your pay goes. Okay.
Yes, that's so true. I agree to that. I think in hotel it will be restaurant is smaller than hotel. Hotel is very big.
It depends. Again, it could be a restaurant inside a hotel. There are various combinations. So that's fantastic. And who over here, has anyone over here worked in any hospitality job before? Balambika, you have? Kush, you have?
Three of them have.
I am working in hospitality only.
Sorry?
I am working in hospital only.
You're working in a hospital?
Yeah.
Not hospitality management. She's working in a hospital itself.
Wow, that's amazing. What does your job include, Balambika, if I may ask you?
I am in a French office receptionist.
Wow, that's fantastic. That's really cool. And is this in Chennai?
Yeah.
Too good. Double thumbs up for you. Very, very cool. Coach, you were telling me?
I did internship
internship
in Hyatt Hotel. Hyatt Hotel.
And did you enjoy it?
Yes, I literally enjoyed them.
And what did you do over there? What was your main job when you were doing your internship?
Housekeeping. Some spa.
Spa? Wow.
Yes.
Okay, very cool.
Restaurant.
Okay, I'm really happy to hear. Rahul, you had your hand up or no? Sorry.
Ahan had his hand
First,
up.
Kush finish, then I'll turn.
Oh, sorry, I thought Kush was finished. Sorry, I
Kush, say more. No, what else? Then I'll say. What else you did in that hotel, Kush?
See, I did in a hotel. First, I go to Hyatt, University, and then I did internship, then housekeeping. Bus.
Yeah. And how long was your internship? How long were you there? Do you remember?
3 months.
3 months. Wow, that's a long
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
And was everyone nice to you over there, Kush?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah?
ma'am. Yes. Yeah.
Good. I'm glad to hear that everyone was nice to you.
It was weekend internship. Actually, they used to go. This is Kushi's mom.
Yeah, okay. So I was wondering who's talking.
They used to go there Saturday, Sundays for 3 months. It was
Wow.
nice experience. Everyone was nice and very well received. It was very nice experience.
This was in Pune?
Yes, yes. Gayatri Agency Pune.
Wow, fantastic. Fantastic. Yes. Kush, you want to say anything more? Should we move on to Ahan?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am. You have done, I think.
Ladies first.
Yes, Ahan, I respect your words. So I'll just go to Namrata's house and we'll come back to you. Spotlight on you, Namrata. You can show your table decoration. Actually, they have a bit of net issues.
It's a little, the screen is a little frozen. So I can see that you've put candles. I can see that you've used table mats, but now every time you move, the screen moves. So I can't see it very clearly. I can see that there's something shiny.
Namrata, actually the screen is freezing. I think because of the network connection, your bandwidth may be low. Just keep it in one position and show.
Keep it in one place on top of the table.
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry.
Ma'am, you can see now.
Yes.
It's slightly better.
Ma'am, can you move it in one? Just keep it in one place. Can you move it away from this bottle so that we can see the whole table?
Otherwise, Gayatri, what we can do, because otherwise we'll just end up wasting
Exactly.
time, and I don't want to take away from. I'd rather talk to Namrata and the rest.
Now you can see.
Namrata can send me. You can send a photograph, and it's not about can we see, ma'am. It's more about the network not being clear. So
Exactly.
what I suggest is if you can take a photograph and send it to Miss Gayatri, then she can email it to me and I'll send you some feedback if that's okay. I'd rather talk to Namrata and talk to everyone here.
Sure.
You know,
Okay.
because of the poor
Okay, ma'am.
network, let's not worry about. But because Namrata showed me her amazing bed, bed decor skills. So I'm confident that she's done a fantastic job with the people as well.
And now over to Ahan.
Yeah. So people are normally sharing their working experience and their social work and all. I also want to share when I'm also doing working. I just stopped because of this lockdown and COVID still also. So I'll just be telling you like how couple of students said that they're working in a hospital, but where I'm working, working in a elder care center in the house where senior citizens live.
Wow.
But I don't live, I live at my own home and then I just work there for like 3 hours. I volunteer over there.
Wonderful. What do you do there, Ahan?
So I volunteer over there. Like once when I reach the premises, I start training the senior citizens to exercise. Then I just... Can others go on mute like except Gayatri? And I cannot
I'm
able to
doing
hear.
that. I'm doing that, Ahan.
I can't hear. Like I was sharing that first when I reach the center, I just train them exercise for 1 hour and then I do activities with them, art activities.
Exercise. You said exercise?
Yeah, exercise first.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Go on.
And then later on after an hour, we just do activities with them and then afterwards I start serving them lunch and then after serving them lunch, I just drop off the senior citizens to their rooms.
Wow. How many of them do you look after, Ahan?
It depends who all are out of their room. Some the senior citizens have to be in their rooms. All cannot come out, no. So it depends on the manager or the employer. They know how to run it.
And how long have you been there? How
Like
long have you been working there?
for 4-5 months. And then by mid of March, I stopped going there due to this lockdown.
Okay.
Still, I'm still
this year or last year?
2020.
Oh.
The lockdown had started, no, and still I'm not allowed because no outsiders are allowed because so they don't get affected.
Wonderful.
But during festivals, we celebrate festivals with them and with the staffs, and I made the new friends with the staffs over there.
That's lovely. Do you want to, how old are you, Ahan, if I may ask?
Yeah, right now, currently I'm 21.
Oh, you're only 21. You've got a long way to go. So I think you can, I'm sure you'll be able to continue once the pandemic and COVID-19 goes away. And I hope that you will continue working and volunteering in these places, because I think that's so important. I'm sure all the senior citizens who are there, who you interact with, I'm sure you make their day when they see you. A young man like yourself with a lovely smile, I'm sure you have made many of them very, very happy just by going there, spending time with them, looking after them. Because what ends up happening,
right.
And
everybody proud of me to be a member of that, but now we don't know. My employer will let me know when I have to resume there.
That's okay. That's okay, Ann. Because don't worry about something that is not in your control, right? If something is not in your control, there's no point in worrying about it. But the fact that you did it for 4 or 5 months before the lockdown happened, you would have brought a lot of joy to the people who are living there, you know, people who may not have their own family coming to see them. The fact that you
family is loud.
You know, and I think that's very, very commendable. I'm very happy to hear that.
Thank you so much.
Job. Fantastic.
You're absolutely right. Families also are not allowed. No outsiders are allowed. But I'm not going to work there for so long. I might teach kindergarten children or something. I might do volunteer as teaching.
Is that what you want to do?
We are thinking of, but now we have to postpone all due to this COVID and lockdown. It's not possible. No?
Of course.
Very risky.
Yes, as you guys can all imagine, this whole 2020 year of 2020 was very difficult for everyone. The whole planet, the whole earth, everyone went through COVID-19 together. So I think for the first time in our whole life, all of us were connected in some way. You know, even though the reason was not very nice, all of us were connected. All of us had to, you know, support one another to survive and to feel good and to feel better. And I know that you've only been doing these Zoom meetings now for a couple of months, but I can tell you that my team at Yash Charitable Trust, we work with 32 differently abled individuals like yourselves. And all of them were so sad when we had to go into lockdown, we had to stop working. And the ones who are in this group who are working can understand what that felt like, not being able to go out of the house, not being able to work, you know, missing your friends that you've made, missing being out and about and social. And so for our team also, we decided to bring them all together on Zoom. So Gayatri, you know, big chops to you for doing this. I mean, I can see how amazing this whole team is that you've got assembled over here and how talented they are. And I hope and I pray that they are able to find jobs or, you know, find work in the hospitality industry. You know, we're doing our small bit. Gayatri, should I talk about Yash Charitable Trust? I mean, it's really...
we will be very happy to hear that, because I have seen one of their videos and it was amazing. So hearing from you would
I
be
actually
really
have
nice.
a very, very small video to show everyone right now, which is just basically, it shows you a little bit about the two places that we have, the two businesses, if I can call it that we have created, which are meant for persons with disabilities to come and work. It is a supported employment program that we have started. There are two programs. One is Arpan Dabba service, which is where we get to make lunch and dinner dabbas, tiffins, and we deliver them to people. And the second location is called Cafe Arpan. And Cafe Arpan was Mumbai's first and is still the only cafe that only has people working there who have developmental or intellectual disabilities. So that includes autism, Down syndrome, other developmental disabilities. Yeah. And the whole idea is that just like you guys are getting training on Zoom, we did training in person and then we did training on the job. So we started Cafe Arpan and then we continued to train our team members on the job. So like how you guys showed me table setting, we only work with food. So there's no bed, we don't have anyone learning how to fold towels and sheets. So you guys that way have an advantage over my team. But we work only mainly with food. So everything from buying the raw materials for the food to preparing the raw materials to cooking the food, then packing the food, and then delivering the food. Every single step, our team members are involved. So I'm going to show you a small little video which will give you a small sneak peek into what my team does on a daily basis. Can we do that?
Yes, ma'am. We are waiting.
Okay. So I can share screen, right?
Yes, I made you the co-host.
Okay, just 1 second. Okay. Oops. I haven't. Sorry, I'm using a. 1 second. Don't know how to go into full screen view. Okay. Can everyone see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna play the video.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh. You can count on me cause I can count on you.
So just to show you, this is a photograph of my team, almost everyone in my team. This is taken at Cafe Arpan. So of course, I'm not going to go through everyone's names, but everyone in this photograph that you can see works and earns when they work with us at Yash Charitable Trust. They all work either at Cafe Arpan or at Arpan Food Services, which is the 2 programs that we run. Yeah. So if you guys, decide, I've just put together a few photographs to show you of, wait, let me just move this on the side. A few photographs of what the cafe looks like on the inside. We have all these beautiful artwork on the wall. Our team members do training on the job. So here you can see, we have first picture is Pratibha, and she's making our Nachni wrap. It is something special that we serve at the cafe. The middle picture is Chetan. Chetan is, you can see Chetan prepping the vegetables. We normally keep the vegetables pre-prepped at the beginning of the day so that we can make the orders at the cafe throughout the day without having to every time cut a new carrot or a new cucumber or any other vegetables. Then the last photograph over here that you can see is our senior beverage maker. His name is Anand, and Anand loves making cold coffee. So this is a photograph of Anand making cold coffee. And initially Anand was a little scared because, the mixer, the blender used to make a very loud sound. So he took a little time to get used to it, but then now he manages all by himself. He doesn't need any help. So we're very proud of him. This is a photograph of the whole team standing outside the cafe. and then a few shots of all the events that we have inside. So we are an all-inclusive cafe. So if once we finish, once I turn off the screen share, I want everyone to tell me what they know by, or what they understand by the word inclusion. Okay, so we like to include, that means bring everyone together. Everyone in the whole world is welcome to come to Cafe Arpan. And when I say everyone, I mean human beings, as well as dogs and cats and anyone who wants to come. That means that we are including them. We are bringing them all together in one space because everyone is equal. We do not have any hierarchy like that. Everyone is equal. Everyone can come inside Cafe Arpan and enjoy themselves and have a wonderful time. So you can see here we had lots of doggies who come to visit. We have a photograph of Nandini, who is one of our youngest team members. She's happily serving one of our customers. Then, because our cafe is so, it brings about a lot of joy and laughter and smiles, we decided to start a comedy show at the cafe. So now once a month, there is a comedy show that we have. I mean, when I say once a month now, obviously this is before the lockdown, but hopefully once the lockdown is over, we can restart the comedy show. But we have a comedy show every month, and one team member gets to go and even present 1 or 2 jokes that they write themselves, or they do research by themselves. So this works as an incentive. It works as a way to encourage our team members to be confident, to learn, to constantly keep practicing what they need to do. They all are given an ID badge. They all have to go and punch their ID badge at an attendance machine. So they all have to follow all these various rules. And all these various rules are what makes them employees. They are working, officially working, getting a salary. All of these individuals that you see on the screen. This girl right in the front over here in the pink t-shirt is my cousin Aarti. I realized I never showed you a picture of Aarti, but that is her in the middle. And Aarti and I are born a very few days apart. So we grew up together, we're the same age. And Aarti is my favorite person in the whole world. And because of Aarti, I decided to dedicate my whole life to doing what we do. So we hope that, other people, other organizations see what we are doing, and it encourages them to start something in, say, Chennai, in Pune, in Abu Dhabi, in Oman, in all of these various places. Because places like Cafe Arpan and my team, and you wonderful people that I've met today, I think it's so important for everyone to get to see. I'm going to stop sharing so I can see all your faces. I think it's important for everyone to see how talented you guys are and how capable you all are, as long as you guys have the right opportunity and the right kind of support. So thank you so much for having me be a part of this Zoom session today. It's really made my day, Gayatri. Thank you so much for including me. I'm just a simple person. So even now when people call me ma'am, I find that very, very strange. So I wanted to use everyone's name today when I was talking to you, because I want to show you the respect that you all deserve. You can respect me, don't respect me, that's perfectly fine. I mean, you can call me Ash. A lot of people cannot actually pronounce my name because it's very difficult for some people. So they all call me Ash. Not Aishwarya Rai. I will not talk to any of y'all if you call me Aishwarya Rai. Like, seriously. No Aishwarya Rai. I'm much better looking than Aishwarya Rai. Okay. So you can all remember me as Ash. I will always be available through Ms. Gayatri if there's anything I can do to ever help you guys. And one rule and one promise everyone needs to make right now with me is that when you come to Bombay, when you come visit Mumbai anytime in the near future, whenever, you come and meet me and come and meet my team at Cafe Arpan. Yeah? Can I get 2 thumbs up from everyone? Can
Yes.
we do this? This is what I do with the team. Two thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you so much. I look forward to meeting each and every one of you. And if not in Bombay, then if I come to Pune or Chennai, I'm not sure if I'll ever make it to Abu Dhabi or Oman, but because I didn't know anyone there till now, but now I know people over there, so maybe.
Yes.
And I look forward to meeting you all in real life. And good luck to everyone. I hope, and pray that you all are very successful in everything that you do. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Just a minute, children. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. I'm sorry, I have to call you ma'am because I'm used with that in the school.
Okay, okay. I will call you Gayatri ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you. So, Ahan, just a minute. Ahan, hold on. We are not finished. Just a minute. So thanks a lot for being with us here. And it was so great to know about your venture, particularly the CAF app and how it runs. And we've seen that video also and we got really impressed. It was so motivating and inspiring. Yes. Even our professionals and come up to that level, and as you rightly said, with the opportunities. So let's wait for the this pandemic to get over so that things will fall in place. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and encouraging us.
May I, if everyone's okay, because this is again something I used to do with my team. Can we all have a group photograph? Will all of you look into your cameras? I'm going to take a screenshot and we'll all say cheese at the same time and we'll take a picture. Yes. Let's wait. Would Rohan like to join us? I'm gonna see if Rohan. Yeah, we'll wait for Rohan. Okay.
Rohan.
I'm not sure who Matilda is. I don't think.
Matilda, no, she's Andrea's mother from office. She attends. Andrea is here.
Okay. No problem.
So Rohan, where are you?
I think Rohan's mum has gone to get him.
Okay.
So, but thank you again. I really look forward to meeting everyone.
Ma'am.
Yes, Kush.
Yes, Kush and Rahul want to say something.
Yes. Kush, go first. Since you started first.
Ma'am, I want to should I come to Mumbai?
Yes, you should.
Come to Mumbai,
yes.
Ma'am, should I come to Mumbai?
Yes, you come to Mumbai with your family and we'll meet at Cafe Arpan, which is in Juhu. Okay?
Okay. We'll see you.
Is in Juhu Beach, near Juhu Beach.
Next to Juhu Beach. That's right, Balambega. That's right.
I came to Bombay.
Rahul, you were saying something. Rahul, go ahead.
We come.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, Kush. I will look forward to seeing you. Rahul, would you like to ask me your question? Then we'll take a photograph.
Yeah, let's take a quick photograph.
And I know Sushma.
You do? How do you know her?
Sushma Nagarkar, ma'am. She should take social skills class in Prabhadevi.
Really? You used to attend her class?
Yes.
Oh, when? That must have been a long time ago. Wow. Very small world, Rahul. Small world. That's very interesting. Okay, now that we have Rohan, can we all smile at the camera? Look into the camera. Chaitanya, you have to smile, Chaitanya. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Thank you. Done.
Okay,
I've taken it. I will send it to Miss Gayatri and with everyone else. Yeah.
Thank you so much, and we'll
Thank you,
share
ma'am.
the recordings with
It's
you.
my honor to be a part of today's Zoom session. So thank you so much for having me.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
And just
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, Job. Bye, Job.